the how to install the right path, and if the problem is occur in your system when you install any Python, so Python or any program, how to deal with this problem. And watch this video so that until the end you will get to know about this. And if you are new on my channel, I have not yet burning subscribe the burning art channel, so subscribing the channel, press the notification on so that you will never miss an update when I upload in tech related video. Okay, so how to install it, so let's talk about this. This is the install path. You can see this is the install Python. This is the 3.4 3.11 3.11.3. This is the latest version. Here install, this is the app file directory, and this is the include idp, all the documentation, all what is the required thing that will be installed in this path. So if you click at this path, it will add the python.exe, that means executive file, to the path. Where is path I will show you. So first I have to install it. If you have a many version install on your desktop, so watch and if you have facing the problem of for coding in python python and if you are facing a problem creating a file, so watch this. And due to the if you have many version of a python interpreter, but that are not going to select, so watch this video will help you for watch. So now I am going to click this path. Automatically I have marked this button so that it add the path. There is no, if there is any path issue occur on select when python code will run, so it will automatically use the path and path. So I will click now install now. So what happened, log file, what log file, what happened, bro? This is the python setup has been started, but due to the some reason who have failed it. If this is the result that you see, this is the notepad result that I have data package, detected package. So this is the way how this work out. This is the format, wardrobe, yeah. So this is the way how to add this add up pass. So if you like this video helpful for you, so subscribe this channel. We'll meet next one.